You how we can use DHT11 sensor with Arduino Uno, and this is a program that I am going to explain now. So first statement includes the header file with respect to DHT11, that is hash include DHT.h, and here I'm going to use the seventh digital input pin hash define DHT a pin 7, and here I'm going to use DHT, that is the data type which is used in this DHT11 sensor, and we are using serial.pin, serial communication between the humidity sensor with the Uno kit, and there is a delay. I'm going to insert the delay of 500 milliseconds. Here I'm writing here delay 500, and this is statement serial print ln DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor. So this is to be printed first, then the readings will be taken, right? And the delay in order to access the sensor, it will be of 1000 milliseconds, that is 1 seconds. Okay, so these four statements that we need to write under setup. And under loop, so first what I will do, I will read the data from the seventh pin. The seventh pin is initialized with the name called DHT underscore a pin. So here there is a function called DHT.Read11. So what it does means it will take the data from the sensor. The sensor will senses all the humidity and the temperature value, and from the pin. So in order to read that, we are going to use DHT.Read11 underscore the pin that I have written. So that will be printed. The first I am going to print the current humidity, which is equal to the space that I have given. In this space, the values will be printed. So in order to take the humidity, there is a function called dht.humidity. Directly this function is to be written in order to get the humidity from the sensor, and it will be in terms of a percentage. So the dht dot humidity will be equal to some amount of percentage that is to be written with the help of serial dot print percentage. Like that, the same thing is to be taken from the in order to print the temperature, serial dot print under in the bracket temperature is equal to some value. That some value is to be taken from dht dot temperature. So the last line is the temperature will be in the degree Celsius, and hence I am using the letter called C, capital C here. And these readings will be printed with 5 seconds before the accessing the sensor again. So I am using 5000 milliseconds. So this is the end of the loop. So before going to start with the executing this program, first and foremost what we need to do is we need to go to the sketch, and we need to go to the uh, tools, and in tools we need to go to the manage libraries. In manage libraries, it will take some amount of time in order to open this. Here we need to type DHT11 sensor library. So we need to type this one, and uh, here we need to install this DHT sensor library. This is to be installed in order to execute the program. Then only your program will be get executed, otherwise it won't execute. So this is to be done. So when you press this one, here already I have installed. If it is not installed, then you have to press this particular button so that it will be installed. So after getting we need to execute the program. So here I will show you how we can connect DHT11 sensor with Arduino Uno. For that I need the Arduino Uno plus DHT11 sensor. In this DHT11 sensor, we have 3 points. The first one is VCC, which is to be connected to plus 5 volt of Arduino Uno. The middle one is data pin, and this is to be connected to any digital input pin from Arduino Uno. You can take first pin, second pin, up to 13th pin. You can choose any one of that. And the last one is the ground. It is to be connected to the ground of Arduino Uno. So let me start with the connection. So first what I will do, I will take the breadboard here and I will insert this DHT11 sensor like this. I have inserted, and take this Arduino Uno, take 3 single strand wires. So what I will do, I will take the 7th digital input pin and I will take one point to the 7th pin, and this point is to be connected to the data input pin of DHT11 sensor, and take one more wire from the ground. It is to be connected to, one point is connected to the ground of Arduino Uno, and this point is to be connected to the ground of DHT11 sensor, and take one more wire, that is 5 volt of Arduino Uno, right, and this point is to be connected to VCC of DHT11 sensor. So take DHT11 sensor here. So this is the ground which is coming from ground, so that is to be connected to the first line like this, okay, and so you can see here ground is to be connected to ground, and this seventh pin, you just concentrate on the 7th pin. That 7th pin is nothing but the data pin, and it is to be given to the middle line of DHT11 sensor here like this, okay. So you can able to see like that. Take one more wire from VCC, here I can show you, and this is to be connected to the VCC of DHT11 sensor. After this connection, take USB cable of Arduino Uno, connect one point of this to the Arduino kit, and this point is to be connected to the system. So after the connection, I can show you how we can simulate the program and how we can get the temperature reading as well as the humidity reading from this particular DHT11 sensor. So here I am going to show you how we can execute the program. You just go to verify the program first. You just press this tick mark. So after that you can able to see here done compiling, right. After this, go to upload the program. You just upload the program, so you can able to see here uploading. So after when it shows done uploading, the program is being executed. So how we can see the output here, you just go with the monitor, serial monitor here, you just press serial monitor. So here you can able to see the output like this. Current humidity is equal to 61%, temperature is equal to 27 degrees Celsius. So here whenever I just press and hold this sensor, you can able to see the changes in the readings. So first it will be a 62. First it was a 62 humidity and temperature was 27. When I will go on rub this sensor, you can able to see the changes in the value of humidity as well as temperature. So now the humidity is 90% and temperature is 29 degrees Celsius. So you can able to check out the differences between the changes in the values of current humidity and temperature. Hope the program is clear, and you can able to enjoy this type of programs. Thank you.